Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. The Gala chart, it did stretch a little bit higher after my last video and actually stretched into this target area and saw a first rejection. So that's sort of what we're dealing with at the moment. So let me explain the Gala price structure at the moment that we see at the moment on the chart. So the idea is still that this chart is likely, one second, got a problem with my mouse there. This chart is likely moving in a corrective structure, and as long as we are in a bullish market, I prefer the interpretation of the initial move up from last year's low as an A wave, like a three-wave move, which is an ABC structure, which is forming a larger A wave. I mean, theoretically, a larger degree top could be in, and we're breaking to new bear market lows from here. It's just technically possible. I don't believe it until I see further evidence. No, I don't believe it, not as long as we are in a bullish market. So the idea is this is just an A wave of a larger wave 2 correction. My view is that Gala might never reach all-time highs again, but it can still rally substantially, possibly to 16 cents or even 33 cents. And it would impress me if it gets a break above 33 cents. I'm not telling you it's not going to happen, but there's no point tracking a more bullish scenario until the price is has arrived in that price region there between 16 cents and 34 cents, okay? Because even in my current scenario, that is a realistic price range to be reached. If we get now a nice healthy B wave, then a C wave rally could take us there. So basically what that means, I'm tracking currently the unfolding of a B wave pullback, and the support area for this B wave pullback is defined between 4.2 cents and 1.9. That's the area that I'd like to see the price get to, even if it's just touching the 4.2 cent level, okay, or maybe 3.3. That's sort of what I'm tracking as an ABC structure in wave B, with then a C wave rally to follow. And the current interpretation would be that we are in this B wave pullback. And in the B wave pullback, obviously, we're dealing with three waves. We're dealing with three waves, which is an ABC structure in itself. Now, I'm already on the 1 hour chart, so let's zoom in a little bit. The idea was a few days ago already that an A wave bottomed and the B wave could be unfolding, and it looks like a B wave at the moment. It looks corrective. We have overlapping price action there between this high and this low. So that's looking as if, to be honest, the ABC could be complete, okay? Now, at least an initial ABC structure could be completed, but I have no evidence it is. So let me tell you about this structure. Our target for this C wave, okay, so A, B, C in wave B, the target for the C wave is between 6.45 cents already reached and 7.2 cents. In addition, we had the resistance area and it got rejected exactly at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. But the move down isn't impulsive enough for me to tell you that the top is in. I think the potential is in, that a top is in. But I would keep the door open for higher prices until we really get a break below that B wave low here at 5.28 cents. Because two things could happen. Either this C wave gets another leg up. That's possible as long as we not break. It's always possible, but it's all about what is likely. So that's a reasonable assumption as long as we are holding above 5.9 cents. The 50% Fib level of that increase, a break below that level would increase probabilities that a larger top is in. Then we have to think about, okay, is this already the C wave to the downside? Probabilities would then increase for that, but I'd like to see further confirmation, like a break below that low at 5.3 cents or a break below this ascending trend line that we have here on the chart. Because what else could happen? I mean, that B wave can always extend, right? That B wave can extend into a larger ABC structure. So we have here A, B, C. That could be an A. Then we get a B wave pullback. As long as it's only in three waves, I would look for higher prices still. And then a C wave higher. And then we come down from there. That's possible, okay? That's possible. And that's why B waves are so difficult to track or trade. But at the moment, what I'm not focusing on so much is that all of wave B is complete. Yeah, I mean, anything is possible. But first of all, that pullback would be extremely shallow for all of wave B. In addition to that, the move up looks corrective. So it looks like a three-wave move, which, can always turn into a larger three-wave move. But it doesn't give me anything to say that the entire correction is finished. and that maybe an impulse in the larger C wave to the upside has started. There's nothing there, you know, I would need to see a 5-wave pattern to the upside, and there is nothing there that would look like a 5-wave pattern at this stage. It looks corrective. 3 waves up in this small A wave, 3 waves down, possible 5-wave move up already in a wave C. So it might be complete, but it might just be a larger A wave in an even larger B wave. Okay, so it will, to a degree, follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'd focus on higher as well. So I will definitely leave the door open for higher prices. And next resistance levels are 6.76, 6.95, 7 cents, 7.28 cents, and 7.76 cents. Okay, so all I'm saying here, we're likely in a B wave. I would still like to see the price come down a little lower eventually, but we might go up a little further in the very short term. Yeah, and I would keep the outlook for short-term higher prices up as long as we are holding above the 5.3 cent level. That should be clear. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.